Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Today I want to talk to you about Freud's SD200 series stacked dado set, available in a 6 and 8 inch diameter. The stacked dado set cuts a variety of hard and soft woods, chipboard, plywood, and laminates. It has 2 outer blades with 3 inner ring chippers, ideal for underpowered saws where less feeding power is needed. It has a negative hook angle for bottom grooves and splinter-free cuts. The SD200 set features Freud's TiCo high-density crosscutting carbide for ultimate finished crosscuts. It is coated as silver ice coating that resists pitch buildup, heat, and corrosion up to 2 times longer than standard polished blades, with an anti-kickback design to prevent overfeeding of materials. The stacked dado series is for users who have underpowered saws and need clean square joints from 1/4 inch to 13/16 inch. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.